Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house on quarter-acre of land is a homeowner's dream. Situated in the modern, aesthetically pleasing parish of Manchester, it has several functionalities and is move-in ready for the purchaser. This split-level house has kitchen built-ins, faux fireplace, double-car garage with a full-length indoor swimming pool. Yes, I said it, an indoor swimming pool. Perfect for those chilly nights that Mandeville is known for. It is also equipped with a full bar for all your private events. This property is a must-see and must-buy. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 68 million or US $441,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.